Okay. Come here. Let me rob you. Rob. Take your money. Thank you so much. Thank you for cooperating with me. I really do appreciate it. Let's see. More? For little old me? Come here. Oh. Come. Die. Oh my, oh fuck. Ah! Hi. Oh my god, guys, story time. Oh my god. So, like, the fire alarm goes off, right? No, not the soup bus. My house is not burning down. I'm in an apartment, guys. Guess what? Guess where the fire was? It was the apartment right across from me. How incompetent of a cook do you have to be that something as easy as just placing a frozen meal in the oven causes the fire alarm to go off for 30 minutes? Tell me. Where's your timer? Do you not have a phone? I heard you talk to your mom on the phone. I heard my neighbor was right next to me as she was speaking to her mother.
Okay, so I'm putting the hot pocket in now. 2 minutes like normal. See?